Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Buick Envision key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition to avoid interruptions. You'll also need to locate the vehicle's programming button, which is usually found in the glove box or under the dashboard. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. To begin, ensure all your vehicle's doors are completely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition. Now, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately after, press and hold the programming button you located earlier. You should hear a chime or see a message on your dashboard indicating you've entered programming mode. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that offers clear, actionable financial advice. Check the description below for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once in programming mode, take the first key fob you wish to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob. Continue holding until the vehicle chimes, confirming the fob has been successfully paired. Repeat this exact step for any additional key fobs you need to program. Remember, all fobs must be programmed during the same session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.